Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your Google Chrome web browser if there are any updates available. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I want to point out is if your browser is already up to date, it's not going to need to check for updates and it should update automatically. However, sometimes you can manually initiate that process. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Google Chrome and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. And then you want to go down and select where it says Help, and then select About Google Chrome. And then if there's any updates available, it should show that it's updating it right here. And then it may ask you to relaunch the browser for this changes to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.